Why is it crucial to determine the brittleness point of flexible polymers and coated fabrics? It might seem like a trivial question, but the answer lies at the heart of the rubber industry. Understanding this point is fundamental to ensuring the durability and longevity of rubber products, which are used in countless applications around the world. Let's dive into the process of how these tests are conducted. The aim is to discover the lowest temperature at which rubber vulcanizates and rubber-coated fabrics won't exhibit fractures or coating cracks when subjected to specified impact conditions. Imagine a cold, frosty day. You have a piece of rubber or a coated fabric. You want to know how low the temperature can go before this material starts showing signs of brittleness. So you expose this material to lower temperatures, all the while subjecting it to a specific level of impact. You keep going until you notice the first signs of fractures or coating cracks. That temperature, ladies and gentlemen, is the brittleness point of the material. This is where the ASTM D2137 standard test methods come into play. These test methods evaluate rubber materials or fabrics coated therewith, subjected to low temperature flex with an impact under well-defined conditions. The response is largely dependent on effects of low temperatures such as crystallization, incompatibility of plasticizer, or the inherent dynamic behavior of the material itself. The data obtained from these tests can be used to predict the product's behavior in applications where conditions are similar to those specified in the test methods. However, it's essential to bear in mind that these tests do not necessarily indicate the lowest temperature at which the material can be used. The ASTM D2137 test methods have been found useful for both specification and development purposes. They provide a robust standard by which the brittleness point of flexible polymers and coated fabrics can be determined, ensuring consistent quality and performance of rubber products across the industry. In essence, the ASTM D2137 test methods provide a clear, standardized process for determining the brittleness point of flexible polymers and coated fabrics. By understanding this point, manufacturers can ensure the quality and durability of their products, providing reliable and long-lasting solutions for a myriad of applications. So, the next time you see a piece of rubber or a coated fabric, remember the intricate process that goes into ensuring its durability and longevity. The brittleness point is more than just a number. It's a testament to the resilience and versatility of these materials.